I'm going to do some Subway Surfers gameplay. So earlier today, I made a video of how to make a Subway Surfers hack. So now I'm gonna do some gameplay, and we're gonna try and beat the high score. Probably will, because I'm a beast and I got some keys. If you saw my other freaking video. So let's jump right into it. Alright, starting off with some boosters at 33,000. Alright, now let's try and beat the high score. Let's get this. I don't really like the shoot things because they make you really slow, so I think it's stupid. But I really would like to hit at least 10 likes. I know it's my first day ever recording videos, so I'm just gonna start out small, 10 likes. So smash that like button and hit the subscribe button also. Yeah, I really don't know what to say because it's my first day. I'm a beginner. Eventually I'll get better, but if I do have any fans out there and my 2 subscribers for the last time I checked, let's get some more subscribers. Maybe hit another 2 subscribers this video too. I'd like that, but I really want the 10 likes because I made a forfeit that I'll even post this. I'll post that I crack a egg, that I have to crack a. Okay, I'll post that if I get 10 likes. No, if I get 15 likes, I'll crack 2 eggs on my head, and I'll even post it. If I get 15 likes on this video, I'll crack 2 eggs on my head. That's only if we get 15 likes. If we get that, well then I'll be showing you some eggs on my head. Alright, they're not coming. Sorry guys about the delay, but my mom was just here, and she says that she hates she said that she doesn't want me recording, so I just didn't want to tell her. Well, I didn't want to Sorry guys about that again. My mom came down again. But as I was saying, I just didn't want to make me stop recording. But doing pretty good. I almost have 200,000. I want to beat my high score. Just do it for the fans, you know. If I have any, I don't even know. But I might bring some COD videos. Like I might start showing you guys COD, like Black Ops 3. I'm not too good at it. Like I'm a 49. And my mom came down again. But yeah. So I might make some COD videos if you guys would enjoy that. Tell me in the comment section what you guys want me to record. Like, tell me and I'll do it. Like, if you want to see COD, I'll show you COD. If you want to see NBA, I'll show you NBA. If you want to see Madden, I'll show you Madden. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the likes, and tell me in the comment section, and I'll give you some of that. I'll give you some gameplay. But if you don't want that, just please at least hit the like button. Sorry, my mom came again. I don't know why she keeps coming down here, but whatever. Let's keep going. Almost have 300,000. I think I'm gonna beat my high score without dying. Like without using any keys. And if anybody knows how to get Cydia back from the like I accidentally deleted my Cydia and I want to know how to get it back. So if anybody knows that, just send me a link in the description. I meant no, link in the comments section. But yeah, if you guys want to see other gameplay, just tell me and I'll do it. And if you guys want me to make vlogs, I'll also make vlogs for you if you want to like see who I am and stuff. Like what I look like, my house, if you want a house tour or anything. If anybody has PlayStation, they can friend me on PlayStation. My name's AflakKing35. Yeah. I don't really know if you guys are going to be watching this video because it's pretty long. But if you are, I'll give you $10. Alright? Nah, I'm just kidding. If anybody's watching this video, please just smash that like button. And if you have an account, I'll tell my friends about you to subscribe to you. And I have a lot of friends. I'm also really funny, but if you guys want to see like comedy videos, like Vines and stuff, I'll show you some of those. Oh, looks like I didn't beat my high score without dying. Yeah, today's actually my brother's birthday, so I don't know, I just felt like making a YouTube account today. Because I've been thinking about it for a while, because I just like started watching YouTube, like maybe a month or two ago, and I was thinking about making some stuff, so I did, like an account. Yeah, I'm actually playing PlayStation at the same time I'm doing this. So, yeah. Playing some COD. I'm level 49. Really don't play that much, but today is the all weapon XP weekend. It's not, it's every like XP like leveling up XP, like for level, for zombies, for multiplayer, for your guns, for everything. It's really cool. I ranked up 3 times in like a half hour. I think once I get my high score, I'm gonna wrap up this video and just kill myself, because it's probably a long video. Like, it's probably really long. And if you guys want to see a mystery box opening, just let me know. I'll do a mystery box opening. Okay. So I only need 100,000 more to get my high score. And this is pretty easy right now. Like, the only reason I really don't have a good high score is because, what's it called? I don't want to use my keys. So every time I die, I just, like let it go, and I just end the game there. But 87,000 more, and we get it. So it's really not that hard to get this when you actually use the keys. And I only use one. Like, that's a surprise. Usually I use more, but I guess I'm doing really good now. Plus, I've been playing for a while. But if you guys like that hack, you can do this too. And I don't prefer anybody to like hack any other stuff. Like, what the hell is my guy doing? It's like he's doing like the Running Man challenge or something. At night, I think of you. Yeah. Yeah, my brother just had his party. It's pretty dope. Went to the movies. We went, played some basketball. Cause I actually have a basketball court in my backyard. So it's pretty dope. But I'm not rich at all. Just letting you know. People think I'm rich. I'm not rich. It's my parents' house. My dad's a retired cop and firefighter, if that interests you. But I like to play basketball and football. I play for AAU team. I play for the Staten Island Stingrays and Team Izod. Play for those 2 teams. And I also play